Every person dreams of a better life, to become more, achieve more, and live with purpose. But here's the truth few people talk about. Your biggest project in life is you. Before you can build your dreams, you must first build yourself. The Stoic philosophers, Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus, did not write for comfort. They wrote for courage. They believed that greatness begins not in grand gestures, but in the silent victories of the self. Maybe you've set goals before and watched them fade away. Maybe you've started strong but lost momentum halfway. That's okay. It doesn't mean you failed. It means you're human. In this lesson, we will explore how the ancient wisdom of Stoicism can guide you to work on yourself, achieve your goals, and live with strength and serenity. Now let's dive in. Step 1. Set clear, meaningful goals. Before you can achieve anything great, you must know where you're going. You can't hit a target you can't see. And that's why setting clear, meaningful goals is one of the most important steps in working on yourself. A lot of people drift through life reacting to whatever comes their way. They say yes to everything, follow other people's timelines, and chase what looks successful rather than what actually fulfills them. But here's the truth. You can't live a purposeful life without purpose. Every mountain is climbed one step at a time. Big goals can feel overwhelming, but when you break them down into smaller, achievable actions, progress becomes possible. Create milestones, celebrate small wins. Each victory builds momentum, and that momentum keeps you going when motivation fades. Remember, your goals are your compass. They give your life direction, focus, and meaning. Without them, you wander. With them, you lead yourself toward purpose. Step 2. Build strong, daily discipline. If motivation is the spark that lights the fire, then discipline is the fuel that keeps it burning. You see, most people wait to feel ready before they act. They wait for inspiration, the perfect timing, or the right mood. But the truth is, the most successful people in the world rarely feel ready. They've simply learned how to act anyway. Discipline is about doing what needs to be done, especially when you don't feel like doing it. It's choosing long-term growth over short-term comfort. Real discipline isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Even small repeated actions can lead to massive results. For example, reading for 10 minutes a day might not seem like much, but in a year you'll have finished several books. Saving a little money each week can build financial security over time. Exercising for 20 minutes a day can transform your health and confidence. So stop waiting to feel ready. Build habits that move you forward. One choice, one day, one action at a time. Because discipline isn't punishment. It's self-respect in motion. Step 3. Always be patient. One of the hardest truths to accept when you're working on yourself is that growth doesn't happen overnight. We live in a world that rewards speed, fast success, fast results. But real transformation, the kind that lasts, is slow and often invisible at first. Think of it like planting a seed. You water it every day, but for a while, nothing seems to happen. You start to wonder if it's even growing at all. But beneath the soil, something powerful is taking place. Roots are forming. The foundation is being built quietly, preparing for the moment when growth becomes visible. That's exactly how personal development works. When you're showing up every day, learning, practicing discipline, improving your mindset, you may not see immediate results. But those invisible efforts are laying the groundwork for future success. Remember, consistency compounds. Every small effort builds on the last. Every lesson you learn, every habit you stick with, adds another brick to the foundation of your future. Step 4. Celebrate your progress. Let me tell you something. Celebrating progress doesn't mean you've reached your final goal. It means you recognize how far you've come. It's about pausing for a moment to look back at the road behind you. All the obstacles you overcame, all the doubts you silenced, all the little victories that built your strength. When you acknowledge your progress, you train your mind to focus on growth rather than lack. You start to see evidence that you're changing, improving, and evolving. That sense of acknowledgement fuels motivation. It keeps you moving forward with gratitude instead of frustration. But when you fail to celebrate your progress, you risk burning out. You start to believe you're not doing enough, no matter how hard you're trying. You begin to live in a cycle of chasing, achieving, and still feeling empty. This happens because you're measuring your worth by the finish line instead of by the footsteps that got you closer to it. Remember, progress is proof of effort. If you don't pause to appreciate it, you rob yourself of the joy that keeps growth sustainable.